Hey guys, welcome to Pastelgrapestoyreviews. Today I have something really interesting. We got this box in the mail and I have no idea what's inside. So let's see what's inside. There's tape. Okay, let's see. Color for tissue. I love tissue paper. So fun. I'll definitely use this in one of our videos. It's something that I ordered. Guys, this is a neonate. Oh my gosh. This is a neonate all the way from Neonatopia. Guys, if you do not know what neonates are these small and adorable creatures that kids really want to adopt. So you should get these. These are so cute. And I got one all the way from the furry edition. There's still more things. The adoption paper. The special milk. There's a diaper set. There's some things in here. There's the bottle. Oh, there's a blanket. That's cool. And is there anything else? Well, that's all we had. So guys, this is so cool. So without further ado, I really want to see what's inside. So let me see all of this stuff inside. First, here's the neonate I ordered. And if you don't know which one this is a frostbite, all the way from Neonatopia. So it is so adorable, guys. And it comes with a little binky. I also have one in the set, which is right here, and it's blue. It's so cute. We also had a green bottle. We got some Shaky Shake formula. A little nice soft blanket. We also have this paper, and I think no, it's not the adoption form. I thought it was an adoption form, but it's not. So guys, we opened it up, and now let's see what this cute, adorable thing looks like. Here we go. Oh, look at this baby. There's a little binky. So, here we go. That's so cute. And here. So guys, here is the cutie baby. So let's see him. Come here, Frostbite. Oh, he's so cute. Look at Frostbite, guys. I have never held an early in my hand before. This is so cute. So first thing when you do when you get an early is first give it a hug and a little kiss. Now you have to take care of its umbilical cord. Cool. So here goes. And it's so cute, guys. So I'll put its pacifier just in case. And this thing is so adorable. So let's put it back in its incubator so that way we can keep it. And you have to connect it into this, just like so. And you have to close it up inside. And you have to leave it in about 2 weeks, or you could just leave it in for 3 days because that's better.